This special aftershave lotion is a lightweight, non-greasy formula that absorbs quickly into the skin and is ideal for use each morning after shaving and each night before bed. Hey, this is Lance McGowan with Essential Oils Me, and today we're going to be talking about the doTERRA Amavi Aftershave Lotion. And the primary use for this is topically on the skin. And then the aftershave lotion benefits is that it's calming and soothing after a close shave, reduces the appearance of blemishes, promotes a soft and smooth complexion, and also offers intense hydration when you need it the most. The directions for use are applying a dime-sized amount evenly to a freshly shaven face and the neck every morning and night, especially after showering or bathing when your skin is most receptive to receiving whatever you put on it. And this has a bonus of moisturizing the skin as well as helping with overall skin complexion. Well, that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click the like button if you did, hit subscribe for future video updates, and most importantly, check out the links in the description below so you can continue to get your learn on, and I'll see you in the next video.